for the right vehicle? Check out 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, power liftgate, navigation package, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, cold weather package, power windows, rear window defroster, security system, trip computer, compass, electronic stability control, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.